So in this lesson, we will work on some minor fixes to enhance things a bit. So one thing we will be fixing is the portfolio items on the blog page. And as you can see, portfolio items that are listed on our blog are obviously not right. They are of course listed here by default because technically they are considered blog posts. So to fix that, we'll be editing our blog's template file. Well, we don't have the home.php file. We'll be making one, so our index.php won't be affected. So let's copy the contents of index.php, which is the template our blog is currently using, create a new file from it named home.php, and save it as home.php. Okay, so now instead of the index.php, our blog will be using the template home.php. We can now edit our loop, exclude post from the portfolio category and its subcategories. So here's how you do it. So pay attention to the video while I'm doing the code. So here we have -2, which negates the category ID 2. Again, we can find the portfolio ID in the link preview as we hover over the portfolio category. There you go, on the bottom right there. The link preview may be in another location if you're using another browser, because for this one I'm using Google Chrome. Alright, so that's how you check that out. Now let's check out our site. So click on the blog page. And as you can see, the portfolio items are all gone. Goodbye, portfolio items. Alright, so let's move on. The next thing we'll be working on is the page title section for our portfolio items. And they're considered as blog posts, and it is expected that it'll be using the static blog page title. So we're going to be changing that. So this is our blog. Right here. So click on portfolio, and here's our portfolio single. And as you can see, it's using the blog page title and description. So it's technically a blog post, which is not right. So here's how you fix it. Open up our header.php file on your text editor, and then here's our page title section right here. So we have this condition statement that returns true if the viewed page is either blog page or blog post. So let's duplicate this static page title. And still inside the true block, we'll create another if-else statement. All right. Okay, just making the final touches. Yeah, put that right there. So here we have the condition statement for either blog page or blog post. And while our portfolio items are blog posts, they fall into this block. So we'll check if the single post being viewed is in the category 2, 3, 4, and 5, which are the portfolio item links respectively, such as the web design, app design, photography, stuff like that. So again, those numbers are the category IDs for the portfolio category right there. So that's the category ID. And if you go down to its subcategories, you'll see their individual IDs as well in the bottom of the browser right there. So that's how you, if the post is one of those categories. So then this returns true, and this page title will be displayed. Else, displaying the blog page title. So let me just fix this up a bit to make some necessary changes. So that's pretty much it. Let's save this file and let's go ahead and check out our site. So go to our site. Alright, reload the portfolio page, click on the portfolio single, and there you go. The page title and the sub description is working awesome. And if you go to the blog page, it's not being affected at all. It's still showing the blog, and this is the blog that contains awesome posts. So that wraps up this lesson, and the next one will be creating the contact form and creating the page template for the services page.